ladies and gentlemen, good morning once again. The exotic, this very beautiful, that lake that you are seeing now. Here is MANASBAL lake in Kashmir. MANASBAL lake in Kashmir. So this lake that you are seeing now here, MANASBAL lake in Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the biggest and one of the very exotic, very magnificent lakes in Kashmir Valley. And this MANASBAL lake, the best part about it is that it is having 1200 springs, 1200 spring water. Nag, we tell that Nag. There's a temple, and then it is 7 kilometers straight away till Jhelum, and then after the circumference, the circle of this lake is 17 kilometers. So let us just have a closer look. Let's have a closer look of this lake and what is brewing here, what's happening here. So ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, that this lake, somebody just told me, that is MANASBAL lake, one of the most beautiful lakes in Kashmir Valley. It is having it is having this, they are taking nadir kadan. Nadir kadan. Nadir means that nadru, that that very important. That, ladies and gentlemen, this is lotus. Beneath the lotus is, there's a temple also on that way. He was telling that there's a very beautiful temple. This MANASBAL lake is made up of 1200 springs. You just see the beautiful this MANASBAL lake on the foothills of these big Himalayas, these mountains. And ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, that this lake, these are lotus. These are lotuses, and then there is pamba chasan, you take another kade, and then you just see that. कैसा अच्छा नादिर क्या चुका बामचा के नादिर तला हाव नादिर आखिर पड़े हाँ फोटो क्या चुम करवाए हाँ ये नादिर ये MANASBAL के नादिर गुड या अच्छा तल पांबच नहीं आ रहा हाँ अच्छा पांबच के पैठे अच्छा तो गाँव चुनियर ये सोन चुना ज्यादा ये क्या हाँ ये कूता सोन चाहिए अच्छा तूता ज्यादा अच्छा यूता भी ज्यादा नेर तो मगर कूता जान चीज नादर चीज मोटी नेरान अच्छा बड़ी चुन तो ज्यादा नेरान तब से काड़ा आख नादर अच्छा घंटे भर लगा काटना तो क्या तल थाप कर तल जमीन अच्छा मेज ताल अच्छा अच्छा मेज ताल आसान अच्छा मेज ताल आसान बेच ताल काड़ून अच्छा मेहनत पत वारिया यपर मंदिर तो हुपर ओके मंदिर चलो मंदिरस मत गो सह ठीक तपर तथ मा क्या पंग वंग गोमुत ठीक फर्स्ट क्लास चलो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खुदा ताला थो तुम ठीक खुश पे तो थवन तमो वापस खुश पे ना कशर बट क्या प्रॉब्लम पन्नी बय तो क्या वन 370 गो अलग सोन मकान दोन मिलिटेंटो जल थी मज 2 मकान बड़ मिलिटेंटो 2005 में 4 शरीफ जल थी हाँ चार तथे कोर लूट तम दो मिलिटेंट तम साथ चलो वन इंशाल्लाह यमो वो क्या गस रात खुश पे ये क्या खोचान अमिस क्या दलील अच्छा ना बस ना क्या ना परवाह बहुत हाव ब्या नादुर क्यों रो भाई बस इधर पड़ो वुचान ला हाँ वाक हाँ वो चलो ये चलो खुश हो रोज खुश हो चलो ठीक है. So you have seen that this nadru, you know, that what is the important and very staple diets of Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Muslims. So they cannot live, they can live with everything, but they cannot live without nadru. Nadru is very important diet, very important eating, very important, you know, lunch and dinner eatings, vegetable of Kashmir. And that's what exactly in MANASBAL Lake, ladies and gentlemen, these people are doing. And in MANASBAL Lake, this beautiful lake that is having 1200, it's made up of 1200 springs. That's water is automatically coming from bottom.